If St. Paul was alive and visited today, he'd marvel at the facade in a grand display. Virgin Mary lions, chrysanthemums in sight. East meets west in the morning light. The facade stands tall, a blend of times gone by, Renaissance and Oriental, reaching to the sky. Virgin Mary conquers evil, Hydra at her feet. Symbols of faith and culture in this historic street. If St. Paul was alive and visited today, he'd marvel at the facade in a grand display. Virgin Mary lions, chrysanthemums in sight. East meets west in the morning light. Beneath the ruins, a crypt of sacred rest. Martyrs and relics, in peace they are blessed. Saint Francis Xavier, a founder so revered. In the heart of Macau, their legacy is clear. If St. Paul was alive and visited today, he'd marvel at the facade in a grand display. Virgin Mary lions, chrysanthemums in sight. East meets west in the morning light. With a strawberry drink he walks through the past in the streets of Macau, where memories lasting. Paul in the present with history in his gaze. In Rua de São Paulo he spends his days. If St. Paul was alive and visited today, he'd marvel at the facade in a grand display. Virgin Mary lions, chrysanthemums in sight. East meets west in the morning light.
Okay, so this is called Rua de São Paulo, and St. Paul's Church is straight up this hill right here. So São Paulo ruins straight up this way. So we're gonna walk up this very busy street called St. Paul Street. Give you a little context, and it goes all the way down to Senado Square and to São Domingos and Portuguese bookstore, Portuguese consulate, São Malo. So this kind of goes into the heart of the historic Portuguese area. And then up above would have been the church that would have overlooked it from that particular side, from the kind of a northern fringe historically of the city. Okay, so St. Paul Street. Okay, I hope you liked that little music there. So that was, you know, what if St. Paul came back and was in Macau? So I just kind of played around, and when I did the video, which you're gonna see in a moment in the walk and talk, I get a strawberry drink, so I'm gonna walk around on St. Paul Street. And then the song has a lot of references because the São Paulo ruins has like these unusual things that you don't expect. East meets west, you have like hydras, you have chrysanthemums, St. Francis Xavier, which is kind of particular to Macau. And they're just like not typical, like, yeah, dragons and lions and like kind of Chinese meets. So anyways, that's what some of those references were all about. And we're gonna put this on the map. So this is St. Paul Street, right next to, it goes like a elbow shape, and São Paulo ruins is right on the corner of the street. So anyways, those are the references, and we're gonna get into the walk and talk next. So I hope you like that song. Maybe give me some feedback, because it's kind of fun to create, but I also would be nice to get some feedback as well. All right. Kind of got some flickering. Actually is another YouTuber. He showed me how to stop the flickering, and so I did, but then I don't know, it might affect other settings, so I'm a little reluctant to mess around with the flickering setting. I just kind of accept it, I guess. So now offerings right there. So we kind of have this busy street, but we also have some really beautiful architecture as well in the street. And the lighting is just about right as well. We'll give out these to tourists. So, hello. Thank you. So we'll try this one. You can actually just walk up and down and so chewy.
Have a try.
Hello.
Hello.
Is there water? What is it?
It's a bandam barley.
Oh, barley. Okay.
Yeah. Please have a try.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
Free try?
Yeah, you can have a try.
Okay, thank you.
Tastes very good.
Ah,
Oh,
no.
I keep it.
You should give.
Oh.
No, I have no knowledge.
Oh, okay. I'll keep
Sorry,
it.
sorry.
No worries. Thank you so much. It tastes very good.
Ah, yeah.
And this is the
Please give me help.
Oh, okay.
Have a look.
yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Have a look.
So let's go on inside. Looks like you have some things where people write messages.
This is a friend write to me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my name is Barney. Barney, okay.
Oh, Barney, okay.
Yeah, Barney. Yeah. Please go in, have a look.
So let's go in and take a look. And it looks new.
Yeah. Hey.
Ah.
Here.
Hello.
Hello.
So this is all the stuff that you guys have here. And this is your coworker.
Ah.
So we got watermelon juice, coconut juice, orange juice.
And it's my
That's a specialty.
hostel. Hey, I say 3 lemon special.
I think I'm gonna get coconut watermelon juice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. I'll support the business, and it
Good
looks
choice.
really good. It looks good.
You want the medium and the large?
Oh, you got a big one. What's the difference in price?
Large is only 6 MOP.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll get
Yeah,
that.
large.
Can I throw this away?
Yeah. Ah,
Okay.
give me.
Now I can,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Now I
Yeah,
get. Sounds good. So I'll take a look around, and
Yeah, thank you. You can.
so they also got more stuff here, including tourist things, postcards, Macau.
Or by car. Yeah.
So I'll use cash. So, and I guess I'll just come over here real quick. So I'll give them some cash. But they also got these as well. These so we're gonna stop here. I'm gonna get my juice, and then we'll continue on. Okay, so we're walking back out with our watermelon drink. So we're basically just in that right next to the pharmacia. I think it's relatively new. Getting a little bit dark now. So this one's really popular here. I think it's delicious here too. So we're gonna go all the way up. It's getting kind of dark now, so it's gonna be a little too dark to film shortly. But I need to get a bunch of stuff. I need to go get my biryani, and then I need to go get that ice cream, the gelato. So there's Sao Paulo ruins right there. And let's just kind of check out this whole space. So now you can see where we're just coming from. And there's Sao Paulo ruins. And then you can also see the 75. So this also marks the 75th anniversary from China. From China's, well, so yeah, 75 years ago. So that is there, that's what the 75 is for. And then this is St. Paul's Church. And they're kind of having celebration for Mid-Autumn Festival today too, so there's a couple things going on. So 75 is the China Communist Party. So 75 years, yeah. So you can see it says the festival of the New Year of the anniversary of the Popular Republic of China. Beautiful St. Paul Street. The lighting is so beautiful this way. I was going to go up to the top, but the lighting is kind of glowing right now from this side. So I think I want to capture that. This historic building is now a Uniqlo. It's a nice glow to the streets tonight. So let's go down. It's gonna go all the way down like this. And then actually Sao Paulo Street actually goes to the right. So it kind of has like a bend to it. So we're gonna go in that direction. So it starts down that way, and then it continues down this way. It's a nice glow tonight too. Yeah, that's like amazing. Yeah, it's like an amazing glow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is follow St. Paul Street. So St. Paul actually goes down this way. The glow of the lights is amazing. This is kind of yonder. Wow. The sky is like purple. I was gonna go down here. The St. Paul Street actually goes down quite a ways. I was gonna go down there, to that downstairs, those steps. Let's just go down a little bit further because it's just so amazing. So this is so we'll label it St. Paul Street. And I kind of hate to move down away from here, but this is also kind of interesting. What's I going to show down here? I had something in mind. Oh, there's a biryani shop, so these little things that say Portuguese Street in here too. I can smell the biryani. So actually I'm gonna go down here, get some biryani in this shop right here. But anyway, St. Paul Street is up that way and around the corner. We will end our video.